Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a car title in Minnesota. Now here in your screen, you can see a step-by-step process to do that. So first, of course, you must provide the Minnesota title for the vehicle to be transferred. And if the title cannot be located, the seller must apply for a duplicate. And of course, all owners listed should sign the title. Next, you must also provide the mileage as it appears on the odometer. It is also important to provide the name and address of the lien holder only if applicable. Next, you must also provide the name of the insurance company and policy number and proof of identification. And lastly, you must at least 17 years of age to title a vehicle. Now you must also keep your eyes on the fee information. So there's a note here that says transfer of ownership from the seller to the buyer is not finished until the completed title is turned in and the sales tax and related fees are paid. So all the processes and required documents must be fulfilled to finalize transfer of the car title. And all transfers must be completed within 10 business days because there will be $2 transfer penalty for late transfers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!